Sorry about that. I'll post this one as well. I'll put you guys right here, okay? You should be fine right there. Okay, so checking my bottom plate. Okay. Missing 1 bolt, 2 bolt, 1 is in. That can cause it to rattle. I don't like that at all. And they didn't even put it on right either. 3 bolt. Missing 3 bolts. Great. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All in a quarter. Right next to each other. See, now I can't check my drain plug or anything like that because she's not in the air. Okay, but I see no residue on the ground, which is great. Okay, is that another bolt right there? Okay, good. But yeah, I'm missing 1, 2, and 3 bolts already. Yep. So then on top of that, they broke a bolt, but they lost 3 underneath. Okay, which is not good. Because that can cause it to rattle. Okay? But yeah. So far, so good. Okay. So, come here. Oh, yeah. Now, I'll show you the wife's Accord, okay? So far, this thing is done. I know what I need. A couple minor things, but not bad. But not for $82 worth. They overcharged. Okay. Now, as for the wife's car. Here is the 19 Accord. Okay. Of course, hers is the same as mine, but a little bit different because it's 4-door and automatic. Let me move this stuff off the car. Okay. Now, I'm going to put on her car. You're going to see it's the exact same motor as mine. Okay. And I'll show you. Same hood pin. Same prop pin. Okay. Okay. There's hers. Okay. As you can see, everything here is the same as mine. Okay. Same 1.5 turbo, battery, everything here. Okay. Not a problem. Okay. Now come here. The dealership is gonna do my wife's oil change tomorrow. Okay. See, same exact engine. Everything's the same. Okay. Same layout. Almost the same layout. But everything is goddamn the same. Same engine, Earth Dreams, 4, turbo, okay? Same, okay? They charged me $82 for 5 quarts. Take it to dealership tomorrow. See how much they charge me. That's for sure. If you guys like this video, let me know in the comments below that I can help you out with. Something happened here. Hold on. What the hell's this? I have no idea. This was underneath the hood of my wife's car. I don't know. The wife won't know either. Extraordinary Realty? I don't even know what the hell this is. Interesting. Wife won't know it either. But yeah, sorry I got sidetracked there for you guys. But yeah, I'm gonna take this thing in tomorrow, see what the difference is. Okay. The only real major differences with hers, okay, radiator up front. Okay. That's the only major difference. Okay, mine doesn't, you know, look at mine. Okay. Do you see a radiator cap anywhere? Do you? Okay. Just my reservoir tank. That's all it is. Hers, here's the difference. Radiator cap. Do you see a reservoir anywhere? All I see is a brake booster. No reservoir tank. This is washer. This is for your windshield. Okay. That's not it. See the only difference? But the shop is not going to touch the radiator. Okay. They're not even going to look at it. Okay. If you guys like this video, leave me a comment in the link below. Okay. I'm here for you guys. If you have any special ideas or anything you want me to look at or anything you want me to talk to you about, I can totally help you guys out. I do appreciate you guys. I will post this video right now. I want to thank you so much. And you have yourself a great day and enjoy yourself. Okay? We're going to learn the results tomorrow. That's for sure. Bye, folks. Take it easy.